In this video, I'm sharing the most amazing pumpkin raisin cake with spices and caramel and buttercream. It's amazing. You're gonna love it, so stay tuned. Combine 1 cup raisins with 1/2 cup of orange juice in a small saucepan. Cover and simmer for about 10 minutes. Uncover and set aside to cool. For the cake, you'll need 1 cup of butter, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 3/4 cups of pumpkin puree, 4 eggs, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Cream the butter and the granulated sugar together. Mix the brown sugar in and then scrape the bowl. Add the pumpkin puree and the eggs and mix well. Now add the buttermilk. Now add the raisins. Whisk together the flour and the spices and then add that to the pumpkin mixture, just until blended. Fill your prepared pans. I made a 7-inch bundt cake and a dozen cupcakes, but you can also use a 9-inch bundt pan or regular 9-inch pans. Pop it into a 325 to 350 oven for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when you stick it in the center of the cake. For the caramel glaze, place 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of water, and 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Bring that to a low boil and then stir for about 10 minutes. Enjoy the decorating and the cake tasting at the end of the video.